everybody, in today's lesson I'm going to show you how to play Another State of Mind by Social Distortion off the Mommy's Little Monster record. But before we begin, remember to like this video and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week. And here we go. Hey everybody, forgot to mention in this video that Mike Ness tunes his guitar down a half step in the song. So it's going to go E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, B flat, E flat, tuning from the low string to the high string. A lot of bands do this. It sounds like a little heavier. Social Distortion does it. Jimi Hendrix did it. Guns N' Roses does it. So remember before you try and play the song to tune down a half step, otherwise it's not going to sound right. Alright, so there's two guitars in this song, and they're both doing different things at different times in the song. So we're going to start off, the first guitar is going to do this kind of harmonic part over the A to begin with, and it sounds like this. And that's Mike Ness. He's going to play that the entire intro. And to play like that, you're going to put your first finger right over the fret, the 5th fret on the low E string, and you're just going to barely touch it so that you can kind of mute it, but also get that harmonic tone. It takes a bit of touch to get it figured out how to do it, but once you get it, you'll hear it. So again, it's like this. Just play it with a 4 count. The second guitar is going to play the A power chord, and it's going to start kind of muted, and then it's going to kind of build up. So it's going to sound like this. So you start with a muted chord, and then you're just going to kind of slowly release your palm to let that chord open up as you go forward with the song. And that's basically it for the intro. Then it's going to go into the verse. And during the verse, both guitars are playing the same thing. And so it sounds like this. So again. Real slowly. That's it for the verse. Then the chorus is going to go back to that A, and it's going to kind of be like just a kind of chugging along power chord. So one more time. So that's what the rhythm guitar is doing. And then Mike Ness over the top of that is going to play this kind of notey thing. And it goes like this. So one more time. I like to start it off with my ring finger on that 9th fret. And again, you can slide with your ring finger, or you can switch to your first finger. It really depends on where you get the most control. A lot of people have more control sliding with their first finger, but if you can do it with your ring finger, it kind of reduces the amount of movement you're going to have to do as you do it. And then after that, there's going to be a solo. And so the solo has kind of an intro where it starts off with another notey thing. And Mike Ness is going to play this triad, which you're going to have your index finger on the 9th fret of the G string, your ring finger on the 10th fret of the B string, and your middle finger on the 9th fret of the E string. And it kind of sounds like this played together. And so he's going to play the individual notes on that, and it goes something like this. And then at the end, he's going to start playing kind of the build up like you did in the beginning with the chord. You're going to start playing more and more of those notes, and it kind of goes like this. And then it goes into the main part of the solo. And so just at that very end, you're going to add your pinky to the 10th fret of the E string to kind of change the form of that triad. So again, I'll play it kind of slowly. And then it goes into the main melodic part of the solo. And that's going to start on the 5th fret of the G string. I like to do it with my ring finger. And so it goes like this. So that's the first part of that solo. One more time. And then we're going to go back into that chorus part, and it's the same chorus as before on the rhythm guitar, and then Mike Ness is going to play this lead over the top of it, and it's basically Chuck Berry bends. So it's going to start off with the 5th fret, with your first finger on the 5th fret of the B and E string. And then you're going to push with your ring finger on the 7th fret of the G string. And you're going to play it in that kind of rhythm. And then you're going to move up and down the fretboard. So here's the format. That's basically it for that last chorus part. I'll play it a little slower. You'll notice when I drop down to the 3rd fret with my index finger across the 3rd fret of the B and E strings, I'm not playing the bends, it's just playing that notey part over the top of the chords. So and that's basically it to the song. The verse and chorus repeat, and then you've got the lead and those little notey things over the top. Really cool melodic type stuff, but pretty simple overall. So I hope you like this lesson. Remember to like this on YouTube and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week, and I'll see you guys next time.